SERV stock analysis Wednesday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sitting at $11.23, and we're 3.4% down for the day. Serve robotics, the only way in which I would approach this market is I genuinely want to take it higher. But here's the thing, unless the price gives me the rules, which is that Wyckoff accumulation, I'm not taking it higher. Now, just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that I've refined after 26,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've documented everything, which has given me these thousands of correct predictions. So now with Serve, the way that I'd move with it is I genuinely want to see the price pull back down inside of the money area, give me this double break, and then I'll take higher. If the price gives me that, then I'm good. You know, if it does not give me that, then I'm not going to try and look forward to up to it. So yes, I'm really going to be waiting here right now. I mean, there's obviously no need to be in a rush, because rush heals all the goals. So yeah, like, I'll just wait it out here. Ideally, the price needs to pull down and give me that Wyckoff accumulation in order for me to take it higher. Anything else, complete noise. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next one.